So when we talk about old school 80s and 90s mini trucking, this nasty dancer is what we're talking about. Look at the bed of this truck. It wasn't about beat, it was about loud. It was about hearing my music 4 blocks away. This is another thing, bed dancers, man. Not only do we have hydraulics on the suspension, we have hydraulics on the bed. And the reason why is while we're driving down the road, we can just wave at people. So what makes all of this happen back here is hydraulics and what's usually called a Z-rack. So you have these that can just dump, they tilt to the side, they go up in the air, they spin around, all kind of cool stuff. Classic lowrider, twisted spokes, engravings everywhere. I mean, look, even the link bars are crazy colors. You don't even see this if the bed's not up, but when this bed is up, this needs to look just as clean as the rest of it. I mean, underneath, nasty dancer right there. Inside, fully built, a little homage to the lowrider, diamond tucks, big switches, pinstriping on the door, handles engraved, clear corners again, and something that I love, lowrider graphics, man. There's a lot of fine line going on, a lot of flake on the hood, into the interior, the dash, up on the roof. It's carried in to the back of the bed where you normally wouldn't see, but when you have a bed dancer, it's all gotta be clean. The back wall. How many people put this much detail in your back wall? Just doesn't get any better OG mini truck than Nasty Dancer.
Cheers.
This is last resort, by the way. I was gonna say behind the scenes, but it's actually behind the truck. And what happens behind the truck stays behind the truck. Wait a minute, unless me and him are behind the truck, then nothing happens behind the truck.
No secrets. Nothing to know, nothing to tell.
Yeah, nothing to see.
Man, you know what?
Nope, what you gonna tell me?